Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. So, highlights of today's briefing is that under the influence of two western disturbances, isolated to scattered rainfall likely over western Himalaya region on 5th and 6th, then another spell during 9th to 10th of February, and dense to very dense conditions likely over North India during next 2 days, that is till 6th of February. And if we see yesterday's dense fog situation, so Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, and also East Delhi, Meghalaya, Jharkhand, Chandigarh, East Rajasthan, Bihar and Uttarakhand reported dense to very dense fog conditions, and light to moderate rainfall reported over western Himalaya region, light rainfall over Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and thunderstorm also with gusty wind reported over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Ground frost reported over Uttarakhand and isolated pockets. If we see the weather system, so there is a western disturbance much away from the India but likely to affect from night of 5th, and another western disturbance likely to affect from night of 8th of February, and there is a cyclone circulation over South Kerala, and another trough runs along Kerala and Karnataka coast in lower tropic levels. So regarding forecast of minimum temperature, so no significant change in minimum temperature likely over northwest India during next 7 days, except Uttar Pradesh where there is a gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 2 to 3 days likely. Gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over central India during next 48 hours, and thereafter no change. And gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over East India during the next 3 days. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over Gujarat state during the next 4 days, and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. And no significant change in minimum temperature likely over Maharashtra during the next 24 hours. Gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius for subsequent 2 days, and no significant change thereafter. So this is the regarding minimum temperature forecast. Now this is weather warning. So main warning is for fog. So it is likely dense to very dense over Uttar Pradesh and dense fog over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam and West Bengal, Sikkim, Meghalaya and also northeast Rajasthan and northwest Madhya Pradesh. And ABC weather warning for 5th of Feb, it is dense fog for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northwest Madhya Pradesh and Meghalaya. On 6th, dense fog for East Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya. Otherwise, from 7th onward, no weather warning issued right now. However, on 9th and 10th, light to moderate rainfall, snowfall likely over western Himalaya region, especially Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.